Hi, welcome to the Hand Power Laravel training video. In this tutorial video, you will learn about how to use the Laravel framework. We will also look into how to perform basic CRUD operation using the Laravel framework. Now, let's take a quick look at Laravel. What is Laravel? Laravel is an open source PHP framework which is robust and easy to understand. Laravel follows the MVC design pattern and it uses the existing components of different frameworks such as the Symfony. Laravel is one of the leading and most adopted framework in the world of web development today because of its file structure and pragmatic nature. Now, let's take a look at some of the advantages of using Laravel. The major advantage of using Laravel is that it saves time. Also, it uses namespaces and interfaces, which will help in organizing and managing resources. Also, Laravel helps in building more scalable apps due to the framework structures. Now, let's talk about installing Laravel. Laravel uses Composer for managing dependencies. Therefore, to get Laravel installed on our local machine, we must first ensure that we have Composer installed. Now, to get Composer installed on our system, we will need to visit the getcomposer.org website and then follow the instructions on the website. Now, here on my browser tab, I'll navigate to the getcomposer.org. Now, we'll click on the download. Now, if you are on Windows, you can click on this Composer setup. Otherwise, you follow the instructions that is peculiar to your environment. Now, I'm on Windows, so I'll click on this composer setup.exe file. And this will download the Windows installer. If you are done downloading the installer, open and run the installer. Then follow the instruction prompts to install Composer on your system. Now, after the completion of the installing process, let's check to verify if Composer has been installed on our system. Now, to verify if Composer has been successfully installed on our system, let's open our command prompt. Once the command prompt is open, let's type in Composer, then click on enter. Now, if you have successfully installed Composer, you should have this welcome screen, which will also tell you the version of Composer that is installed on your system. If you successfully have this screen, then you can proceed with me to installing Laravel. If not, please follow the instructions again to download and install Composer. Now, let's move on and install the Laravel framework on our system. For the sake of this program, we will be installing Laravel via the composer installation method. Now, let's go back to our command prompt. First, you need to navigate back or move back into your htdocs directory. So I'll do a cd /exam/htdocs, and this will put me in my htdocs directory. This is where I want to install the Laravel file. Now, let's proceed by installing the Laravel file. To install, I'll do composer create project -- prefer -dist Laravel /Laravel. This is the needed instructions to get Laravel installed in our htdocs directory. Now, the next argument we'll pass to this is the name of the file in which we want Laravel to be installed in. So here I'll specify npower. This will create the folder npower and install a new Laravel folder structure into it. Let's click on enter. Now, depending on your network, this command will commence the installation of a new Laravel framework file structure into the stated folder. Let's wait until the installation process is complete. Now, when the installation is completed, we will have this screen on our command prompt. Now that Laravel has been installed in our project directory, let's start the Laravel service by executing the following command in our project directory. So I'll cd into our project directory, cd npower Laravel, and then run this command to start the Laravel service, php artisan serve. Once this command is entered, we can see that the response we got was Laravel development server started at http 127.0.0.1 then :8000. What this means that an instance of the PHP Laravel framework that we installed have been started on port 8000 of our local host. Now, let's go to the browser and view the installed Laravel framework. Now, let's enter the local host 8000 and then click on enter. Here we can see the Laravel welcome screen. If you have successfully installed Laravel on your system, then this should be the screen you see when you run your PHP artisan serve and visit the address localhost 8000 on your browser.